Hello and welcome to Prime Code Media. This is an introduction to a brand new series on JavaScript for beginners. Before I tell you what you can expect from this series, I think it's important that I first answer this question. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that powers the interactive and dynamic behavior of websites. This programming language was created by American computer programmer and technology executive Brendan Ike in 1995. For more on the history of this language, there are many sites that you can check out, and they include Wikipedia and w3schools.com. While HTML and CSS are responsible for structure and styling of websites respectively, JavaScript is concerned with the behavior of websites. The behavior includes, for example, the animated graphics and pop-ups that we so often encounter when we visit websites. This programming language is used in various fields that include web applications, mobile applications, web-based games, and back-end web development. Now, this shows just how important and widely used JavaScript is. So, there are many reasons why learning JavaScript will be worth your time and effort, and they include the fact that it is the most popular programming language and that it offers lots and lots of flexibility. So, in this series, you will learn about the basic JavaScript, conditions, loops, functions, objects, arrays, and more. I urge you to please stick around because there's lots of interesting stuff that you will learn from this series. I look forward to meeting you in our first episode. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye for now.